mo, bisa mo. Smile. Smile. Tara, tara.
No, because it's so hot na there. Oh.
Let us now welcome our flag racing bird, Jaco. Jaco is our Moluccan cockatoo, scientific name, Cacatuá polosensis. These birds can be found in eastern Indonesia, and they are the largest among the white cockatoos. Go, Jaco. Very good. The show has officially started. Round applause for Jaco with Trainer David. Hello everybody and welcome to Manila Ocean Park All-Star Bird Show with me, Trainer April. Now, our next featured bird are just like any married couple. Monogamous, meaning they will be partners for a lifetime. Pretty romantic, right? But as any couple will attest, in a relationship, there will always be battles. Meet Sass and Rocky, our beautiful pair of green with Mako, and today, they will battle it out to see who's the best in a basketball game. But before we start this battle, I'll be dividing you into two groups. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on girls, let me hear you say, Sassy! 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 And then the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on boys, let me hear you say, Rocky! 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 Alright, friends ready? Trainers ready? Set, go! Here's one ladies first call, followed only by Sassy. Another welcome, Rocky! And who's gonna win? Who wins? What can you say about the trainer, Rochelle? Do you guys lose this time? Hold it, we want another race. Oh, she wants another race, Trainer JV?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will win.
So what race do you have in mind?
I want a ring race. And what is a ring race? The first bird who can drop 3 rings into the hole, the fastest is the winner. And that is the ring race. So a ring race it shall be. Remember guys, that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again, and this time, a ring race. Ready, set, go! Here's where guys first ring, followed only by Sassy. Oh, here's what's happening. Sassy and rings at the same time. How clever is that? And the winner is Sassy. What do you say about Trainer JV? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated.
Oh, you cheated? No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain. Oh, so it's true that girls are more intelligent than boys? Yeah! Applause for Rocky and Sassy between Rochelle and Trainer JV. accepted. That's why we continue to enhance their skills and have that board. So, here's Sassy once again, and she will show us how intelligent she is by putting the shape back to its correct slot. Just like Sassy, twin macaws are from South America. They are known to be the gentle giants of the parrot family. It is because they are the second largest next to the hyacinth macaws. They can grow up to 92 centimeters in length and can live up to 8 years old. Scientific name is Arachloroptera. They usually feed on seeds, nuts, salts, and minerals along the river banks. And for the shape, go Sassy girl. And there you go. Intelligent round of for Sassy, the trainer chef. Now guys, who loves math? Everyone here knows addition, right? Well, this next part of the program will leave most people baffled and amazed, even as trainers. Do you think birds can do math? But before we call our mathematical wizard, I'll be giving two numbers between 1 to 15. So any number between 1 to 15. So first number will be number 4. How about the second number? Second number will be number 10. So the question is, 4 plus 10. Let's see if our mathematical wizard can solve the situation. But first, trainer Jamie will shuffle the number.
If you could count for a year, would you get to infinity or somewhere at the center?
Now let's call it a habit macaw, Rocky. Wow, look at that. What a beautiful entrance. Okay, trainer James is Rocky ready? So Rocky, solve the equation for us. Once again, the equation is 4 plus 10. Let's go, Rocky. Do the math. And Rocky gets the first number correct. How about the second number?
As he confronts what
Go, Rocky.
jotting down in that
Okay, take his counting. 4 plus 10. And Rocky gets the number 4. So, 4 plus 10 is equal to 14. Put your hands together for having macaw. Rocky, the trainer Jamie.
with the rest of
So this time, I need an adult volunteer with 500 peso bill. Anyone, guys? Who wants to be a lucky volunteer? With 500 peso bill. Okay, I think we got one. Okay, once again, I need an adult with 500 peso bills. Okay, sir, please come here in front and join me. You will notice the birds in our show are mostly parrots. It is because they are highly intelligent, charismatic, colorful, and musically inclined. Good afternoon, sir. What is your name?
I'm Lau.
How about us, our volunteers, sir? Lau. Sir, can I have the 500 peso bill? Okay, please follow me. Okay, sir, all you have to do is stand right here, facing this way, and extend your left arm just like this. As I put your money between your fingers. Sir, do you have any idea what will happen next?
The bird will take my 500.
Well, let's see. Let's call our money bird, Buddy. Buddy flies over. And he gets the money and flies back. And I think Buddy will donate the money. Round of applause. Sir, before you go, I have a question for you. Did you know that Manila Ocean Park is also a rescue center for birds? Well, your money will go a long way. We are very grateful. Thank you so much. You may now take your seat and enjoy the rest of the show. How about 1,000 pesos this time? No more? Sir, Sir Lau, excuse me. Sir Lau, are you okay? You sure? You look so sad. Please come back here. We're just kidding. This is just part of the show. Sir, Buddy's saying something. Before Buddy gives your money back, he wants to give you a kiss. Is it okay? Okay, sir, stand right here. Look at your camera and offer your cheek. Smile. Nice. Another one. You know, how about on your hands?
so the beat, and he never was saying
that you have seen our colorful and intelligent parrots, we would like to show you another species of bird here in Manila Ocean Park. Birds of prey, also known as raptors, hunt and feed by other animals. The term raptor came from the Latin word rapere, meaning to seize or to take by force. These birds are characterized by their keen vision that allows them to detect prey during flight. They also have powerful talons and beaks. Ladies and gentlemen, please look to your left, presenting our property guide. Here comes Speed. Property guide is typically known as Alias Fort Indus. 1,526 species of birds of prey are around the world. These birds are found in India, Indonesia, Bangladesh, Pakistan, along China, including in the Philippines. And here comes Shadow. They are locally known as Lawi or Panot in Visayas region. And here comes our chickens. Wow, look at that. And as you can see, we have our homing pigeons. Homing pigeons are innate homing abilities, meaning they will generate birds to its nest and mate. How about us for our raptors, our chickens, and our homing pigeons? Here in Manila Ocean Park, we believe there is hope. We only not try to take care of our friends in the sea, but also for those who are in land and air as well. Now guys, who knows the 3 R's? It's reduce, reuse, and recycle! Recycle very good. So here's Buddy once again, and he will show us the proper waste disposal. Let's go, Buddy. See, if our lovely birds can do it, so can we. Ladies and gentlemen, we hope you all enjoyed our show. Are the birds spectacular? Well, in our own way, no matter how small the effort, let's take action in saving them from exploitation or even extinction. Please, let's all do our part in saving the world. Because remember, this is the only home we got. So let me present the birds and the trainers that made this show possible. Trainer Rochelle with Buddy. Trainer Mikey with Shadow. And again, I'm Trainer April. Thank you and goodbye. By the way, guys, please remain in your seat because we still have a sea lion show. And please do not cross the yellow line. Thank you.
So yung mga nasa baba po mga master, pwede po muna kayo magpayo. Pwede po muna tayo magpayo habang naghihintay po ng Sea Lion Show. Pero pag nag-start po yung show, paki-close na lang po ulit yung mga payong po natin.
By the way, I'm Trainer Rochelle, and I'd like you to meet my friends together with their trainers one at a time. On your left side is the only male South American sea lion that we have, and he is the handsome one. Wow, confident. His name is Vincent. Together with trainer Mark, say hi. And on the other side is one of the youngest female South American sea lions that we have here, and that's named her, Dustin Marcus. Oh, don't be shy, girl. Her name is Jenny. Together with trainer David, say hello. Now, let's continue. So, guys, do you have any idea why are they called fin or feather-footed marine mammals? Any idea? Do they have feathers? Well, let's ask them. Guys, do you have feathers? The answer is no. It's actually because of their front flippers, which are shaped like a bird's wings. See those? The term fitted may also be translated as fleet-footed, since their flippers do look somewhat like wings. In fact, they appear to be flying underwater from place to place, right guys? And you know, they often mistake it as silks because they feel very much alike. But some differences between a silk and a seal lion is the fact that they have bigger front flippers. And they can also turn their back flippers, something silks cannot do. As a result, they can walk upright while on land. And that's a fine demonstration. How about a round of applause for Vincent and Yemi? And guys, you know what? They have this long and flexible neck. How flexible? Well, check this out. So flexible, right? Another round of applause for Sea Lion friends. As you can see, their body is covered with a thick coat of short coarse hair, and their whiskers help the sea lion sense of touch. They contain nerve fibers, which make them sensitive. Wow, nice smile. Hey! They can also use their whiskers to aid in navigation or to detect vibration from place to water. And their small external ears give them a good sense of hearing, both above and below the water surface. Sea lions, like any marine mammals, can see both above and underwater. They have a keen eyesight, but no color vision. In the wild, they inhabit waters coast to shores, like rocky cliffs with typhoons, and have a preference for rocky beaches. They have excellent climbing abilities, which can easily scale rocky cliffs. Check this out. Truly strong flippers. Now let's talk about their swimming abilities, and let's start with Vincent, the handsome one. Sea lions are generally cruise around 11 miles per hour, using the rowing movements of their front flippers, while their back flippers are stretched out behind their bodies, functioning as rudders for steering. And that's their normal swim. Nice and easy. Thank you so much, Vincent and Training Mark. But when chasing their prey or escaping from predators, they can achieve a burst speed up to ready, Annie? 25 miles per hour. Wow, look at that. Come on, guys, another round of applause for Yanni the smartest. Great job, Yanni girl. Nabagon. Great job, girl. And another one. She's asking for it. All right, this time, would you love to sit down? soccer. Keys? Nice! Sweet! Thank you so much, Vincent. Yanni and trainers. We hope you all enjoy spending your afternoon here at Aquatica with your newfound friends, South American Sea Lions, Vincent and Yanni. And we also hope that even after the week, you will take this experience with you wherever you go. And remember that while we're on land, training affects our friends in the sea. Sea lions, like any animals, cannot survive in a trash-filled environment. So let's keep our surroundings clean. Aside from pollution, there are many other threats to their survival all over the world, such as climate change and illegal hunting. You can learn more about this inside our oceanarium. Always keep in mind that we are the steward for our planet, and thus, each one of us must do what we can to protect and conserve all the inhabitants of our Mother Earth, including ourselves. So on behalf of Vincent and Trainer Mark, Yanni and Trainer David, and all of us here at Aquatica and Manila Ocean Park, we would like to thank everyone for visiting us today. We hope you all enjoy and visit us again soon. So take care and have a nice day. Say goodbye to our slime friends. Bye! Thank you for watching. Alright guys, by the way po, ang exit po natin sa left side na alatri, pwede po sa taas, pwede sa baba. Thank you.
Please exit at the left side of Aquatica by the narrow tree. Please exit at the left side of Aquatica by the narrow